Welcome to the Potpourri channel. Let's talk about the making of glass. Have you ever looked through a window or sipped a cool drink from a glass? You've been using one of science's most amazing materials. It's glass. Glass is all around us, and it's pretty incredible when you think about it. It's hard like a rock, but you can see right through it. It protects us from the wind and the rain while letting the beautiful sunshine pour into our homes. This special material doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It comes from a very careful and very hot process. Science is what turns simple, everyday stuff into the clear, useful glass we depend on every single day. Glass matters because it has some truly unique properties that are hard to find in other materials. Think about it. We need something transparent for our windows, our spectacles, and the screens on our phones and computers. Glass does that job perfectly. We also need something that can hold liquids without getting soggy or changing the taste of our drinks. Again, glass to the rescue. It's strong, it's smooth, and it's super easy to clean, which makes it great for food containers and laboratory equipment. Its ability to be both strong and clear makes it a superstar in the world of materials. The history of glass is a long and fascinating story of human ingenuity. People discovered how to make glass thousands of years ago, perhaps even by accident. Ancient civilizations in places like Mesopotamia and Egypt were already crafting beautiful glass beads in small vessels. They treasured this material, considering it as precious as gemstones. Over centuries, we got better and better at making it, learning how to create huge flat sheets for buildings and tiny precise lenses for telescopes that let us explore the vast universe. The journey of glass is a journey of scientific discovery itself. So what is this magical substance really? Glass is what we call an amorphous solid. That's a sciencey way of saying it's a solid, but its atoms are all jumbled up, more like a liquid's atoms than a neat, orderly crystal. This messy atomic structure is the secret to its transparency. Light can pass right through the jumbled atoms without getting bounced around too much. It's a solid that remembers being a liquid. And the coolest part? We make this see-through wonder from one of the most common things on our planet. It all starts with something you can find on almost any beach. To make glass, you need a recipe, just like baking a cake. But instead of flour and sugar, the main ingredient is sand. Not just any sand, silica sand, made almost entirely of silicon dioxide, is the hero ingredient. We add soda ash to help the sand melt, and limestone to make the glass strong and durable. Finally, we mix in recycled glass called cullet, which melts quickly and saves energy. That's the recipe: sand, soda ash, limestone, and cullet, turning simple ingredients into glass. To make glass, we mix sand, soda ash, and limestone, then turn up the heat, way up. The mixture is poured into a furnace hotter than a volcano, over 1,700 degrees Celsius. The sand melts, glowing like lava, and all the ingredients combine into molten glass. Bubbles rise and escape, leaving a smooth, pure liquid. Glassmakers carefully control the temperature for the perfect syrupy consistency. This glowing orange syrup is ready to be shaped into something beautiful. Shaping molten glass is where art meets science. Glassblowers gather glowing glass on a pipe, then blow and shape it into vases, bowls, and more. For bottles and jars, machines use molds and air to create thousands of identical pieces. Flat glass for windows is made by floating molten glass on tin, forming perfect sheets. After shaping, glass is slowly cooled in a layer oven to prevent shattering. From ancient art to modern tech, glass is strong, beautiful, and truly extraordinary.